Okay, bottom line is that we are worried about the stress levels that our kids are experiencing, because as a child gets to be an adolescent or their young adult years, they learn just as much from each other as they do from their teachers and from the adults in their lives. Cooperative learning is important, not just for their academics, but for their social and emotional development. So I certainly am looking forward to them going back face to face.
I'm Nicole Parker, school counselor at Pueblo del Sol Elementary, and I've seen students being affected by distance learning with just feeling lonely and isolated from their peers. They really miss that social interaction of school with their teachers and other adults on campus.
Well, I'm happy that when I'm done my work, I don't have to wait. I can get up, but also it's kind of hard to understand what Miss Rose is saying. Well, usually we would play during the breaks, like recess break and lunch break. And it's just kind of different not being able to do that. But I do get to have lunch early.
So the mental health of students staying home, I think, varies greatly. I think there's advantages and disadvantages. I think for our family, the hardest part is missing the friends and having that interaction with other people on a regular basis, which is really important. And the advantages are, like Hannah said, like being able to have a little bit more flexible schedule. But the missing the friends is definitely a sad part.
Well, I think mental health is affected by students not being in the classroom because we're all social beings and we need the social interaction on a regular basis. Students who are creating their identity and figuring out who they are, they really thrive in social situations and with social peers. And being in class is one of the benefits of public education and learning how to interact with students is very important as they grow up and enter the workforce.
Being away from campus affects students' mental health in many ways. Just from being away from their peers and teachers and support, being isolated while they're doing their school, not being able to access technology or find success. When you find yourself failing or not succeeding as you think you should, that is very, very taxing on one's mental health. And having students back on campus will be very, very good for them in terms of their mental health.